What's going on, YouTube, ladies, fellas? How's everybody been? It's been a couple weeks for me. Been kind of busy in the old real life. I wish I could make YouTube my priority, but it doesn't pay me $0, so kind of have to take care of business, if you know what I mean. Anyways, we're gonna do a little restoration. Pair of channel locks. Let's take a look at them real quick. So these are pretty rusted. They don't look too beat up. Looks like somebody painted them green at some point. I think they were chrome plated. They don't look too awful bad. There's some pitting. But we're going to put them back into use. We're going to take them apart. To do that, we're going to have to focus. We're going to have to grind that off a little bit because it looks like it's been peened over or beat up a little bit. And I don't think it'll unthread. So anyways, that's what we're going to be doing today. Good, take a moment. Let's see if you can even see me. Sorry, I gotta switch the camera view. There we go. If you could take a moment, click subscribe, like, comment, and I truly appreciate everybody that, you know, sticks around and the new subscribers that come. You guys are all amazing. We do stuff like this. We have a beetle and a bug. My wife, if I called it a beetle, she'd get all PO'd. We have a bug that we're restoring. It's taking a little longer than I would like, but you kind of get a little burnout on projects sometimes. Anyways, so we're gonna take a minute, have a little bit of fun, clean these up, and go from there. Be right back with you. As my buddy from Outlaw Edge on YouTube always says, don't be a dumbass. Wear safety protection. Arco, I take your advice, buddy. So we're gonna hit this with the flap wheel. Just clean it up. I will just grab a crescent wrench, loosen that off. Let me go find a wrench. There we go. Grab our little magnetic tray that has shit stuck to it. What not to do with a crescent wrench. Use it as a hammer. There we go. So we'll go over to the wire wheel and we'll clean all these up. See how she turns out. Okay, so as my buddy Scoutcrafter calls it, the post-wire brush evaluation. I usually just call it knocking the rust off, but to each their own. These are a channel lock number 420. I don't know the year. I'll try, and if I'm able to find it, I'll put it down at the bottom. You can see they turned out really well. There's some pitting, and I think we can get rid of all that without getting rid of the lettering. Especially this side. This side, the lettering's super deep. Oh, they're patented in Canada, 1933. So I guess they're sometime after 1933. I don't know if you can see that or not. But they look really well. The jaws don't look like they're even used. They don't look used at all. I don't know if I said this, but a friend of the show named Tim Messina sent these along with a whole box of tools. The side cutters I did last time, Tim sent, and we truly appreciate it. It gives us projects to work on without me having to fork over a bunch of money for tools that I might not ever get to. So if you have junk laying around, let me know. Anyways, I think we're going to go to the belt sander a little bit, and then probably the fiber wheel. And then we'll go from there. I'll take you along. A little time lapse. Look who decided to join us. She wasn't out being a hussy. She has a boyfriend now, another black cat. I named him Oscar. He's not our cat, but I named him Oscar anyway. I got him to eat out of my hand. Tara, say hi. It's been months since you've been on. She loves to climb. She loves to climb. Tara, I got work to do. Say hi. Say hi. Okay. I'll be back when she leaves me alone. Okay, so we got these cleaned up. This is kind of I wanted to try and match the grain. So I did everything one direction. So you can see, I don't know if you can see that or not, it's probably bleached out. But everything is going that way. So let's see if it matches up. Yeah, there we go. Everything matches up. It's going down that way, down that way. I was just trying to match the original finish. It's going to be a good pair of pliers. Channel locks. Polished up the button. Put this in here. Oh, no, wrong way. Come on, girl. Hey, yeah. There we go. Just need a little persuasion. Really? There we go. There we go. Hold on a second. Bring it right back. Okay, we're just gonna put a little thread locker on it. Not much. This is a drop. Dab will do you. Let's wipe some of this off. That's a little much. There's a spider web going from my drink cup to the ceiling. I don't know if I like that very much. Come on. There we go. There we go. Oh, okay. Let me grab a wrench. Yeah, I know this is a little overkill, but it's the closest thing I had, so. I'll put a link to this restoration right at the top. Come on, girl. Why you don't want to work? There we go. Now she's going. Oh. Freaking magnets. There we go. Let's wipe that little blob of juice off. What do you think? Champion Deermint, Meadville, PA, USA. Channel lock. NO420. Patent in Canada, 1933. That's legit. I think I got a respectable set of channel locks there. They work smooth as butter. I'll probably hit them with a little bit of a WD-40 or wax just to make sure they don't rust like instantly. But besides that, I think they look good. I'll try and post some info on the patent date, stuff like that. But other than that, they look good.